Namaskar Mitro, this is Sachin Nambiar. Today I will be discussing on the numerical part of decline curve analysis. This particular question has been asked in GATE 2016. Let's see what the question is. It has been given that the production of a gas well was found to decline exponentially. Okay. The observed production rate as of 1st Jan 2014 was 0.6 into 10 to power 10. Alright, SCF per month. Take special note on the unit. And as of 1st Jan it's 2015 and it was 0.4 into 10 raised to 10. Okay, no problem. The economic production limit for the well is estimated to be 0.002 to 10 power. Okay, so we have to find the remaining reserves for the well as of 1st Jan 2015. Okay, it's a very simple question. Let's see how to solve this. Now as we have known, the QI has been given as 0.6 into 10 to power 10 SCF per month. Unit is very important over here. Q is given as 0.4 into 10 to power 10 SCF per month. This is as of 2014, this is as of 2015. Alright, now we know the formula of Q is equal to QI E minus dt. Okay, now 0.4 into 10 to power 10 equal to 0.6 into 10 to power 10 E minus D into what will be the time? Time would be 12 months because there is a gap of 1 year into 12. Alright, so now to find D, it will be 1 by 12 ln of 6 by 4. It turns out to be 0.0337 per month. So that's the decline rate, and I found it on the basis of per month. Alright, now let's see how much cumulative we were able to produce in the month of in the gap of 2014 to 2015. So QI minus Q by D. So 0.6 into 10 to power 10 minus 0.4 into 10 to power 10 divided by 0.0337. Alright, here let's see how the unit also works. It's SCF per month into 1 upon month. Yeah, problem regarding the units, so we can obtain the answer directly. Q is equal to 5.934 into 10 to power 10. Alright, SCF standard figure. Okay, since it has been given per month and we also found the decline per month, we don't have to do any sort of unit conversion over here. Alright, so we found that the cumulative gas produced between 2014 and 2015 is 5.934. Okay, now coming to the remaining reserves part, let's see how to solve that particular question. Now to find the total reserves, we have to take into use the economic limit that has been given. See, the economic limit over here is given as 0.002 into 10 to power 10 SCF per month. Okay? Now to find the total reserves, what we have to do is we have to put QI, that is as of 2014 whatever be the flow rate, and minus the economic limit flow rate. Economic limit flow rate divided by the decline rate. Very simple. Okay, and I'm putting this and somewhat it will look like this. The QI is 0.6 into 10 to power 10 minus the economic limit, that is 0.002 into 10 to power 10 divided by the decline rate, which is 0.0337. Alright, it's SCF per month into 1 upon month. Month get cancelled. So the answer turns out to be 17.74 into 10 to power 10. Alright. So this is the total reserve that I obtained. Alright. This is the total reserves. Now to find what is the remaining reserves. That means I have already produced 5.934 in the year of 2014 and 2015. Between this year I have produced this much. And my total reserves that I obtained from economic limit is 17.74. Alright. Now to find the remaining reserves, we have to subtract 17.74 minus 5.934 to 10 to power 10 SCF. Alright, so the answer turns out to be 11.8 into 10 to power 10 SCF. See, it's a very simple question. It's a very simple. So this is the answer, 11.8 into 10 to power 10. Is also given as 1 meter cube per day. So we have to find the reserves associated with the well. Very simple question. Down the data that has been given, 1000 meter cube per day. Decline has been given as 6% per year. Again, this unit will be very important. And economically sustainable, that is minimum oil flow rate for economically sustainability of the well is 1 meter cube per day. Okay. Now we have to find the reserves. Very simple question. For Q is equal to Qi minus Q by D. Okay. So 1000 minus 1 divided by 6%, that is 0.06. Now look at the units over here. 1000 minus 1, this is in meter cube per day, and this particular thing 0.06 is given in 1 year. Okay, in 1 year. Now we have to convert this unit. So for 1 year we have 365 days. In 1 year we have 365 days. Okay. Now this day gets cancelled, year gets cancelled. So what we have to do is we have to multiply by 365. So 999 into 365 divided by 0.06. The answer comes out to be 6.07 into 10 to power 6 meter cube. Very simple question. Not the only thing that we have to take care is that the unit, this conversion is very important. Alright. Now let's discuss this particular question that has been asked in GATE 2020. Let's see the question. Initial oil production in an offshore well is given as 1000 barrels of oil per day, which decreased to 960 barrels per day in 30 days. We have to use the exponential decline, very simple model. Using the exponential decline, we need to find the daily production rate after 360 days. Okay, 360 days के बाद हमको कितना production आएगा वो देखना है. Very simple question. So let's write the data given. Q initial is 1000 barrels of oil per day. Q is given as 960 barrels of oil a day. This particular thing has occurred in 30 days. T is equal to 30 days. This much has been occurred. Okay. Now I am using the exponential decline model. It's dt. Okay. So it is 960 equal to 1000 into e to power minus b into, in 30 days this thing has occurred. So 1 by 30 into ln 1000 by 960. So b equal to 1.36 into 10 to power minus 3 per day. Per day, this much decline rate. Alright. First part of the question is done. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the flow rate at 360 days. What will the flow rate after 360 days? Okay. Now to find out, Q is equal to Q naught E minus dt. Q naught we have, initial one we have 1000 into e to power minus, this is 1.36 into 10 to power minus 3, the decline rate we found out, 1.36 into 10 to power minus 3 into the time 360, because since we have to find at 360 days what will be the decline rate, what will be the oil rate, so we put 360 over here, and if we are solving this particular question, the answer would be around Q is equal to 613 barrels of oil per day. This would be at the rate at 360th day, this would be my oil rate. For today, hope all of you have enjoyed the session. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our social media pages, Facebook and Instagram. Jai Hind.